Good evening, students.
Good evening, sir.
So we have been discussing about stoichiometry, and in the stoichiometry, there is a concept called atomic mass unit. So atomic mass unit is the mass of an atom, single atom, right? Yeah. For example, mass of oxygen atom. How many grams or how many AMU? We don't know it, right? So that we are going to discuss. And another important concept is significant figures, significant digits. So we are going to learn these two topics today. So have a look. So significant figures. So what is this significant figures is all about? You know, whenever you perform an experiment, naturally, so you are expected to take the measurement. You have to read it, right? And you have to perform some calculations when you perform any experiment in the laboratory, right? So there are two things here. One is accuracy, the other one is the precision, right? So if you see the first one, so this is the target, the red one is the target, and it is accurate and the precision also good. And you see these two, this is the target, the center one is the target, but precision is good. What is the precision means? It is a series of stuff, okay? So accuracy means how close a measurement to the accepted value. This is the accepted target. So to the accepted target, how close you are basically hitting it, okay, or achieving it or arriving it, okay. So that is what is accuracy is all about. But precision is slightly different. How close a series of measurements are basically to one another, okay. But this you are comparing with these three only. These three are very close. So this is a precision. I hope you understood. For example, first ranker, second ranker, third ranker are there. So they are very close with 1 mark difference. But from 100 marks, they're far, something like that. So here, see, there are three at different places. There is no precision and there is no accuracy. So these are some of the words we use it. Okay, measurement can have a high precision also, okay, but not be accurate. Okay. Next, for example, already I conveyed to you, significant figures are used to indicate the precision of a measured number. Basically, you are going to correct the precision of a given number. You can see here this much measurement, how much it will be 1.3. This will be 1.3. And this is 2, right? Now, in any measurement, the digit farthest to the right is considered to be estimated. Farthest to the right is considered to be estimated. So, for example, you can say here 4.5 and 4.54. What is the difference?
So 4.54 is farthest to the right, sir.
Yes, that is, I mean, 4.54 is greater precision is there, right?
Yes, sir.
Greater precision is there. That is the basic. Okay. So we are reducing the uncertainty. Actually, it may be 5.4 or 5.6 or 5.7, right? It may be in between 4.5 to 4.6. But if you mention the next number, it is going to give more precision or greater precision. So that means the significant figures indicate the precision of the measured value. So they are very easy actually. So
that means we need 3 figures to get the precision, sir.
You can see here, these 0.6 meters, these 0.61, these 607. Are you following?
Yes, sir.
So it is in between 0.6 and 0.61. But this value is more precise, 0.607. Are you following?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's the basic. This is more precise. That means it's going to give more, I mean, detailing. That's the difference. Now, so to basically write the significant figures or significant digits, there are some rules. They're very easy to learn. Okay, very easy to learn. The first rule: digits other than 0 are always significant. Okay, is there any zeros here?
No, sir.
No zeros. So there are 5 significant figures here. That is the meaning. So here, how many are there? 3 are there, because all are significant only, right?
Yes, sir.
So all non-zero digits are always significant. That is the rule number 1, right? So see, how many digits are there, significant digits in this?
3, sir.
Yes, sir.
There are 3. Next, in this,
5, sir.
5,
in this,
4.
4,
4, sir.
yes, yes, you are right. So naturally, 1 second. So there will be 3 significant digits, 5 significant digits, and 4 significant digits. Okay, and all are non-zero.
Non-zero.
This is rule number 1. Okay, now let us see the next one. Next one is any trailing. Trailing means what? Trailing means back. Leading means front. Use these words, trailing and leading. Okay, so the trailing zeros, I'm using a word, final. Final is not appropriate word. The trailing zeros used after the decimal point are significant. See, can you see a decimal point first?
Yes, sir.
So after the decimal point, if any zeros are there, these are significant. See, that's why you consider this as 5 significant figures. Okay, now for example, listen carefully. For example, I'm writing 50, 50.0, 50.0, 50.00, 50.0000. Okay, let us consider this. Okay, now listen
One
carefully.
significant figure.
This is actually
1, sir.
this
One
zero
significant.
is only 1, because this is called trailing zero without
Yes,
decimal. But here decimal is given actually. Here you should have a decimal. The rule itself, it is given, there should be a decimal here.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's why only 1. So next one
1,
it is
sir.
here.
2, sir.
1 only.
1,
2 na?
sir.
Okay.
2. Here
Okay,
decimal is
2.
there. That's why
Point.
2.
Okay.
But there is a
Yes, sir.
decimal here. Dot is there. That's why it is 2.
Okay.
Here how many? 3. Because there
3,
is a
sir.
decimal. Here there is a decimal. That's why it is
4.
4,
and here it is
5, sir.
6.
And 6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
5,
6.
6.
6.
Sir?
Yeah.
Sir, before the decimal, we should not count the zero, no, sir.
No, actually, for example, 500 is there. So significant digit is only 1. Okay. For example, 4500 is there. How many significant digits? Only?
Two, sir.
Only
2,
2.
2,
sir.
sir.
For example, 4500 dot is there. How many? 4.
3, sir.
3, sir.
1, 2, 3, 4 na?
4.
All
Sir,
zeros
but
should be counted.
even after the decimal point.
No, these zeros also should be taken into account. Decimal is there.
Okay, sir.
Clear or not?
Okay,
Yes, sir.
Yeah. See, these are just rules. You have to do number of examples so that it will become stable. Okay. So here you can clearly mention this 100 has 1 significant figure. There is no decimal point, right? So these are called trailing zeros. Trailing means at the end, without decimal point, Clear or not? Actually, this topic you have to learn. I mean, teacher won't teach. Yeah. Anyhow, we'll just clear all these things. Yeah. Let us move forward. So 2 rules you have studied.
Sir, can you one show the before slide?
Yes. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
And next. So all final zeros to the right of the decimal are significant. Right? So I'll just now explain this, right? So now you explain how many are there? How many significant figures?
3, sir.
3, sir.
Now tell me how many are there in each?
3, sir.
3, sir.
3,
5,
5,
5
7.
and 7.
3,
3,
7,
5
sir.
and 7.
5, 7.
sir. 6, sir.
right? 7.
7, sir.
So 1, 2, 3. Because after the decimal, na? These are after the decimal. These are also should be counted. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So you have learned 2 rules. Next, third one. Listen. Zeros between 2 other significant digits are always significant. See here, there are zeros in between 2 significant figures. So these 2 are zeros also will be significant. Here can you see here 2 zeros are there. They are also significant. I hope you are clear about this rule number 3. Okay. Now let us see here. All zeros between significant digits are always significant. Now answer a few.
3,
3,
sir.
sir.
3, sir. 5.
Yeah.
5, sir.
5,
4.
And 4.
Yes, right. So naturally, this will be 3. This will be 5. This will be 4.
4.
Okay. For example, 1 0 0 0 1 is there. So this will be 6.
6.
6,
This will be
sir.
6. I hope you understood this. Okay. So all these in between. So if the zeros are in between 2 significant digits, two significant digits, any zeros are there. So these zeros are also significant. In this case, it is 5. Like that. So this is rule number 3. Now let us recap all the 3 rules. Now tell me what is rule number 1? What is rule
Sir?
number 1?
All non-zero numbers.
All
All zero
non-zero numbers, sir.
are
Significant. So
significant.
very good. So rule number 1 is non-zero. All
Non-zero
non-zero are
numbers,
significant.
sir. Significant.
And rule number 2.
Zeros
After
after
decimal,
decimal
all
points are
after
zeros
decimal
are
points
significant.
are
significant.
Yeah. After decimal. So zeros are
Point
significant. Zeros are significant. Okay. Zeros are significant. Right? Yeah. Next.
All
Third one.
zeros between significant
All
digits
zeros
are
All
Yeah.
zeros between
All
significant
zeros in
digits.
between 2 significant digits.
significant
Two
figures.
significant digits.
Others. Yeah. Now 3 are completed. Now let us see the rule number 4. Now zeros used solely for spacing the decimal point are not significant. See, these are called leading zeros. Leading means they're coming in the front. Okay. These are not significant. These are not significant. See, here how many are there? Only one significant digit. Here how many
Yes,
significant
sir.
digits are there? 2
2,
only.
sir.
Here how many are there? 3 are
3,
there.
sir.
These rules you should know. Okay. Now, these are the rules which you have learned. Okay. All non-zero numbers are significant. Zeros between non-zero numbers are significant. Zeros between non-zero numbers. That means and are significant.
And
Between
yes, sir.
you have zeros. Okay. Leading zeros. Leading zeros means what I said in the beginning. Just now, this one. The beginning. Leading means what? In the beginning.
At the starting, sir.
Yeah, the starting. Okay. They are not significant. Okay. Next. Zeros on the end of the number. End of the number means trailing ones. Trailing zeros. Trailing zeros are not significant. Okay. But after the decimal are significant. After the decimal are significant generally.
Significant.
I don't understand that. Clear or not? Yeah. So
Yes, sir.
now here, for example, 50,000 is there. What is this? What is the significant digit?
1, sir.
1, sir.
Right. 25,000 is there. What is the significant digit?
2, sir.
2, sir.
Yeah. I hope you understood. Now you understood this stuff. Any doubts so far?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Sir,
No
I
doubt.
have a doubt.
Yeah, please.
Sir, for 25,000, how significant number we can do, sir?
Okay. So here 25,000 let us take. Okay. It is 25,000. In 25,000, these zeros are called trailing, coming at the end. So these are not significant. Only two only are significant. For example, 25,000 dot O is there. Then how many significant? 5 plus 1, 6. So if decimal only is there, then only it is significant. For example, 25,000 decimal is there, dot is there, then it is 5. Decimal is not there. That is the second rule. See here. Read this fourth one. Read, please. Read out.
Zeros on the end of the number are significant
on the
only
end.
if there
Only if there is a decimal point.
Yes,
Only there is a decimal point.
decimal point.
Are you clear now?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay. You have to practice. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, see, I have given the answers here. Now be convinced. So what is the rule here? Tell me the rule.
All non-zero numbers are
Yes.
significant.
All non-zero are significant. Next, what is the rule here?
All
Second one.
All
zeros
zeros between two
Between the
significant
significant numbers
figures,
are
Yes.
significant.
The zeros in between the significant digits are
Are
significant.
significant.
Very good. Next, rule number 3.
leading zeros are
Leading
non-significant.
are
zeros
non-zero.
Yes.
not
Leading
significant.
zeros are
Not
non-significant.
significant.
Next, rule number 4.
Zeros after
Trailing
zeros
zeros
after
after the decimal
significant figures.
decimal
are
point
significant.
are
Trailing,
significant.
see, the trailing zeros after the
After
decimal
decimal.
are significant. The
Significant.
trailing zeros without decimal are
Non-significant.
non-significant. I hope you understood this. Now, see, can you see some more examples? So here, only one. 40. 40, how many are there? What is the
One, sir.
rule?
One, sir.
What is the rule?
All
Trailing
all
zeros, sir.
Trailing
non-zeros are
Trailing zero. Trailing
Trailing
zero
zero.
without
Yes,
decimal.
sir.
Trailing zero without decimal.
without
Without
decimal.
Next, this one, 0.5.
Leading zeros.
Leading zeros are
Non-significant, but there is a decimal point, so
no. Even decimal point is there. It is actually
yes, okay.
all leading zeros are non-significant or
Non-significant.
insignificant. Should not consider. See here, so many are there. Are you following? They are not
Yes, sir.
significant. Okay, they are not significant. Okay. Now, this is a scientific notation. So this 10
So
power
that
5
how
should not
can
be
we
considered.
calculate?
Trailing zeros are
See,
non-significant.
Okay, multiplication, yes. Then we can get, yes, sir.
yeah, naturally, this can be written as 10, 7, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right now, this can be written as
Yes,
10
sir.
into 7 into 10 power 5.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Agree or not? So only this should
Yes,
be
sir.
considered because this is considered as trailing zero.
Trailing zeros, sir.
Yeah. I hope you understood. But that is put up in a different format. Are you clear? You should not be mistaken.
Yes,
Are you
sir.
following? This is nothing but 7 into 10 power 6.
Yes,
What
sir.
is this? 7 into
10 power
10 power
6.
10 past 6.
only this is significant. Are you following? Even for
Yes, sir.
example, 18 into 10 power 19. What is the answer? Significant digits.
2, sir.
Only.
2.
Only 2. Are you following? Yeah. Now you tell me 6.023 into 10 power 23. What is this called? Avogadro number. Na? Soup.
Yes, sir. I've got
Yes,
the
sir.
number, but 5.
Avogadro number. So how many
Five.
significant digits are there?
Sir, 4,
Five.
sir.
4, sir.
So 4,
Four
sir.
are
4.
Yes, 4 are there. This question is asked in the competitive examination. Easy only, na?
Yes.
Now, similarly, 1.2. 1.2 means all are non-zero.
Normal non-zero.
All are non-zero. Okay. Now, see, just now I explained to you scientific notation that is called scientific notation. 2.80 into 10 power 6. Are you following? So I told you have to ignore 10 power 6. Hello, don't ignore this 0. Why you should not ignore this 0? Can you tell me?
So because decimal point, sir.
Very good. There is a decimal point. So after the decimal point, the zeros are significant.
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 Are you clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let me know if you have any doubts so far. Anyone is having any doubt? No doubt?
No doubt, sir.
Very good.
No doubt.
No doubt, sir.
Fine. Now, can you see this? Some examples, scientific notation.
Yes, sir.
So 2.3445 into 10 power minus 6. Only 2.3445 should be considered because 10 power minus 6 means zeros will come where? Leading or trailing?
Trailing, sir.
Trailing, sir.
Sir, leading, sir.
Trailing.
For example,
Leading, sir.
Sir, yes, sir, leading.
Leading, sir.
Sir, leading, sir. It will come in the leading, sir.
mathematics also you don't know. For example,
Leading.
0.1 is there. How you write? 10 power minus 1. Na?
Yes, sir.
Point
Yes, sir.
not 1 is there. How do you write? 10 power minus 3.
10 power
minus-
minus 3.
Same thing only. They are coming leading or trailing? Leading.
Leading,
Leading.
sir.
So leading should
Leading.
be taken into account or should be neglected?
Neglected, sir.
Neglected.
Neglected,
Same
sir.
thing only you neglected here. Can you see the answer?
Yes, sir.
Answer how many are there? 5 only are there.
5, sir.
Here. So here
Yes, sir.
2.69 into 10. 10 means 10 power 1 only, na?
Yes, sir.
Clear or not? Similarly, 3.4 into 10 power 3. So it will be 3.4.
2.
These two only. So I hope you are clear. Hello. You multiply how much you are getting?
Yes, sir.
2.69 into 10, how much you are getting?
26.9.
26.9.
26.9 is only three digits are there, significant digits.
Yes, sir.
Clear or
And
not?
3.4 into 10 power 3, we are
Yes.
getting
Yes,
3400.
that's right. So hope you are getting it. Any doubts?
No, sir.
No doubts. Now, some more. Okay. Round each number to 3 significant figures. Okay. Now, 3 significant figures means first 3. 8, 7.0. This is 3 up to 3. Okay. Here 7 is there. The fourth digit is 7 is there. Are you following?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what you do
Plus
is
1.
you do like this. You do like this. So the 7 is greater than 5. If 7 is greater than 5, you can write as 1. Are you following?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Less than 5, you can neglect it. Is it okay?
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
So that's why it is 87.1 meters. Are you following? Yeah. Sometimes the examiner will give a numerical and he asks the answer round off to 3 significant digits or 2 significant digits or 4 significant digits. Now, 4.3621 into 10 power 8.
Sir, for 3,
So
sir.
4.36.
4.36 only 2 should be neglected. Why 1 should be neglected?
So
Because it is
because
less
only
than
3
5.
Less than
significant
5.
figures.
It is less than 5.
5.
Less than 5. Similarly, 0.01
Sir,
552
155.
meters. So listen very carefully. Soups, listen. For example, if you write 3, 1, 2, 3, 0.001, just listen carefully. Here you will be doing mistake. 1 second. For example, 0.01552. You have to write 3 significant digits. Now, if you write 0.01, okay, if you write 0.01, then what happens? What is going to happen? Or 0.02 if you write, then it is wrong. Why? Because this 0.01 is equal to how many significant digits?
0, sir.
1.
2,
1
sir.
only, na?
1. Yes.
Because
Yes, one.
leading zeros are
Neglected, sir.
non-significant. They are not significant.
Yes.
It is equal to
Okay.
1 only, na?
Yes, sir.
So it is wrong. Now tell me the answer 0.0155 has how many significant digits?
Sir, 3, sir.
Sir.
You understood now?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Here you will be doing mistake. Because here now in the answer, how many significant digits are there? 3 are there.
3,
If you
sir.
write 0.01, then it is having only 1 significant digit because leading zeros are not significant. Is it
Sir,
convincing?
so the answer is 155, sir.
No, 0.0155.
So then
Okay,
why in the
sir.
before one we kept 10 power 8, sir? We can also take away that, no, sir.
Why 10 power 8 you are removing?
Okay.
If we have the 10 power 8, what is the problem? 4.36. This is only
4.3.
significant, na? This is only
Yes, sir.
significant. You are not taking into account. In the answer, how can you remove it? It's so
Okay, yes, sir.
in the answer, you cannot see. You are going to have a more precise value. 4.36. Are you
Yes, sir.
following?
Yes, sir.
Rounding off. You are rounding off. How can you remove 10 power 8?
Yes, sir, we cannot remove.
So you have to be wise actually here. The third one, you do mistake, please. Please take care. Are you clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Oh, very interesting. Next one you see. 9009. So how many significant digits you have to write?
3.
3 only, sir.
Three you have to write. To write 3, here 9 is there. 9 is greater than 5. I can write, I hope you understood, na? I can write 10. If I write 10, how many significant digits are coming?
3, sir.
4,
3, sir.
3,
Three
sir.
are
3,
coming.
sir.
If you write 9009, how many significant digits are there?
4,
2,
sir.
sir.
1, sir.
Sir,
na?
4, sir.
These are
4,
in between,
sir.
na? Zeros in
Yes, sir.
between
Zeros
two
between
significant digits
are significant, sir.
are significant. The zeros in between two significant digits are significant.
Significant.
So this is a very tricky question. Is it tricky or not?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Some we
Yeah,
think
9010. 9010 has only 3 significant digits. And
Yes,
here
sir.
9 is there. 9 is greater than 5. You can write 10.
Yes, sir.
Is it convincing all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Very
sir.
good. Very good. Now let us see. 1.77777 into 10 power minus 3. You have to write to round off to 3 significant digits. So shall I write here? 7 is, see, up to here is 3 significant digits. Okay. Now 7 is greater than 5. I can write a 7, 8.
Yes, sir.
Is it convincing all of you, please?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
So let me know if you have any doubts in this slide. No doubts? Okay, fine, very good. Next, let us move on to the next slide. Okay. Now, so let us learn adding and subtracting. Going to LKG and UKG. Let us learn how to subtract and add. So first of all, just now explain about the scientific notation. So how to add this? Let us see. So there is a rule. Read the rule. First, convert all the numbers to the same power. Can you see here? 10 power 4, 10 power 5, 10 power 6. Is it the same power or different power?
Same power.
Different.
Different
Different,
power,
sir.
Different,
sir.
sir.
Yeah, different power is there. So you have to convert into the same power. So see, can you see here? All I converted into same power, 10 power 4. Is it all right?
Yes, sir.
Now 10 power 4 is the common, right? Now listen carefully. Now listen very carefully. There is a rule. The rule is, so actually in this case, all are having, how many significant digits are there? Can you tell me in this?
4,
4,
sir.
sir.
4, sir.
I'll tell you one thing. See, I'll tell you one small thing for you, very interesting thing. See, for example, you are adding 3 numbers. Okay. You're adding 3 numbers. So for example, 101 you are adding. Okay. And 21 you're adding. And 1 you're adding. Are you following? 1 you're adding. Now, how many significant digits are there? Can you tell me here?
3.
3, sir.
Good. Here how many?
2,
sir.
sir.
Here how many?
1,
1,
sir.
sir.
1. Agreed or not, all of you?
Yes.
No,
Sir.
when you are
Yes, sir.
adding, please add this. Please add this.
So 1,
So
2,
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. Agreed or
1,
not?
2, 3.
Now listen carefully. In the addition rule, which is having the least significant digit, the answer must be in the least significant digit only. So what is the least significant digit here?
1, sir.
1, sir.
1. The answer must be 100. Are you clear?
Sir, can you repeat it again?
Sir, I did not understand that how
Okay.
1 is question.
Okay, no issue. No issue. I'll explain again. Okay. Now here there are Addition, I'm adding these three. 101, 21, and 1. So here, how many digits are there?
3 digits, sir.
Here, how many are there?
2 digits,
Here,
sir.
how many are there?
1 digit, sir.
Answer must have the least significant digit only, one only.
Okay, sir.
Are you following? So to make
Okay.
the answer 1 digit, what you have to do?
Put 2 zeros after it.
The answer.
And there should
Interest-
be no decimal point. Yes, sir. Understood.
Interesting or not? Interesting?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So next one. Now listen carefully. Now come back to our business here. No. Here, how many significant digits are there in the first one?
4, sir.
4, sir.
Perfect. Second one,
4, sir.
third
4,
one,
sir.
third one.
4, sir.
4, sir.
Answer must have
4 significant
4,
digits.
sir. 4
Perfect.
significant
Perfect. Perfect. Answer should have 4 significant digits. So listen carefully. 346.852. How many are there significant digits?
6,
6,
sir.
sir.
6. First of all, you made everything you made all the same power first. Then you added. When you added, you got 6. But how much you have to write? 6 or 4?
4, sir.
4, sir.
So 346.8, right? 8. After that, 5 is there. So 5, 2. 5, 2 means is greater than 5. So what you have to write then? 9.
Plus
The
1.
next number.
Plus 1 you have to add.
Okay, sir.
Any pain is there in understanding?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Now let us see. So let us see the first one. Observe the first one. First concentrate on 1.457. Let me know how many significant digits are there.
4, sir.
4, sir.
Good. 83.2. How many significant digits are there?
3, sir.
3, sir.
In the answer, how many significant digits should be there?
3, sir.
3, sir.
3 should be there. So first add 84.657. How many significant digits are there in the answer now?
5, sir.
5.
5.
How many should be there?
3,
sir.
sir.
Least 3 only. 3 only. So 6. You cut off here. Cut off here. After cutting off, 5, 7 is there. So add 1.
Okay, sir.
Are you clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Very good. Next, this is subtraction. Okay. Point not 367. How many significant digits are there?
3, sir.
4,
sir.
sir.
Very good, because they are leading zeros. What is it? Leading
Leading
zeros
zero.
should be
Ignored,
neglected.
sir.
They should be neglected. Leading zeros. Leading means they come in the beginning, in the front. Okay. Next, here. They are
4,
also
4,
leading,
sir.
they are also leading zeros. 4. So what should be the answer? How many significant digits?
3, sir.
3,
3.
sir.
3
3,
should be there. So add nicely. When you add, how many significant digits are coming?
5, sir.
Sir,
You are
5, sir.
5 are coming. Now cut off up to here. When you cut off here, 7 is there. So sorry, 3 is there. So add plus 1 because here 7 is there. So 4.
7.
Now,
Okay.
now count the number of significant digits in the answer.
3, sir.
3, sir.
3. You are convinced now. Are you following?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Here you do mistake. Listen, please. See, 3 to 3. These are 3 significant digits. Then cut off here. Here you cut off like this. Then 7 is greater than 5. So add
5,
1 to the 3. Add 1 to the 3. Don't get confused here. Don't make messy. Are you following? That's why I give a technique. The technique is, listen carefully. The answer how you write is, write like this. So 0.032378. Write like this. Now 3 significant digits. Like this you draw. Easy, na? When you draw, so this is the last digit. So to this digit, you want to remain like this or add, depends on the next digit. Next digit is greater than 5. Add 1 here. Are you
5.
following?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Next. Yeah, what you are doing here?
Multiplication.
Multiplication, sir.
Multiplying. How many significant digits are there in the first one?
3, sir.
4.36.
3, sir.
In this one, second one,
2, sir.
2,
sir.
sir.
only 2. So
Least
how many should be there in
taken
the
2,
answer?
sir. 2,
2,
sir.
sir.
Now,
2.
so when you multiply, this is the answer. Okay. Now 2 means what? You have to. I told you to draw a line.
Yes, sir.
Where you draw a
5, 6
line?
should be taken.
56.
5,
After
6,
56,
sir.
you have to draw a line. Next, 6 is there. 6 is greater than 5.
5, sir.
So add 1. Any pain?
No, sir.
Any pain? No pain. Are you following or not? Are you following
Yes,
or
sir.
not? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next. 12.300, I think is divided by 0.0230. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now you are getting 53. Now in the 12.300, how many significant digits are
5,
there?
sir. 5 significant.
Very
5,
good.
sir.
Because after the decimal, 5 are there. Very good.
Yes, sir.
Next. Divided by the denominator, how many
3,
are
sir.
there?
3,
3,
sir.
sir.
3.
3 significant digits are there.
3 are there. 3 or 4?
3, sir.
3 only. 3 only. Because these zeros should be neglected. What zeros? Leading zeros.
Beginning
Leading
0.
Leading zeros, sir.
3 are there. So answer is 3 only. Any pain?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No, sir.
Very good. Now, can you see some decimal here? Addition and subtraction. Can you see some values? Here, when you add these two,
Yes, sir.
3.64, 0.0829. In both the cases, how many are there? 3.
So in first case 3, sir. And
Second
second
case?
case is also 3, sir.
3,
Very good.
sir.
Because they are leading zeros. They are leading zeros.
Zeros.
Are you following or not? Yeah.
Yes,
So
sir.
Yes,
answer
sir.
must be
3 only, sir.
3.72.
sir.
Why 3.72? Because here 2 is less than 5.
Less than 5.
Is less than 5. Is it convincing?
Yes, sir.
Next. 67.4 plus 4.28. How many here are there?
3, sir.
3, sir.
Here how many are
3,
there?
sir.
3, sir.
3.
3,
Answer must be 3.
3.
Because you have to, because here 8 is there, right? You can add 1.
Okay.
Now subtraction. First case, how many are there?
4,
4,
sir.
sir.
4, sir.
Second case, how many are there?
3, sir.
2.
3 or 2?
2, sir. 2.
2, sir.
2 only, na?
Yes, sir. Leading
No.
zeros should be ignored.
So 2.629 is the answer, right? So how to write this? How to write this? Only 2 you should write.
Should write.
Should write
Sir,
only
but
2.
3 is in the
So
answer.
here you write 2.6 only. Don't write this 3.
Okay.
Are you clear or not?
Yes, sir.
So this 3 is not required. Next. Next. 269, 3.27, 4.6. What is the answer?
4.6, sir. Least.
4.6 means 2 digits.
2.
Yes, sir.
So you have to write in the
Sir, 28, sir.
20. Yes, sir. 28.
not 28.
Sir, 280.
20, sir.
280. 280 you can write, 280 you can write.
Okay, 2.
How you can write 28 after mixing all these things?
Yes.
280 you should be wise.
Oh, yes.
You should write 280 so that you get 2 digits only. Round off. Are you clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this way should do it. Okay. Here you can see only 2 digits here. That's why write 7.9. 2 digits. Okay.
Sir, I have a query, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, if we have to round off and it is 5, we have to consider the previous number or the next number, sir.
I didn't understand your question.
So if the point is exactly 5, then what we should take, sir?
For example,
Greater than 5 or less than-
2.555 is there. You have to round off to 3 digits. Okay. Clear? Clear or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
This
That
is
level.
2.56 only because this is 5 is there. Na?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Can you see some more? See 3.75, 4.1. How many significant digits here?
2, sir.
First case,
2,
3.
sir.
3
Three,
here,
sir.
3 here, 2. How many you should
Two.
write? Least
2, sir.
7.8.
Two, sir.
Understood or not?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Now can you see here? Listen carefully. If it is even number is there, na even number. 7.8 is even number, na? Even number is there, you should not add. Good question you raised. Here 8 is what number, right? Even or odd?
Even,
Even, sir.
Even number is there, you should not add. Odd number is there, you can add.
Yes,
So
sir.
Read the
Okay,
theory
sir.
once. Read the theory. Okay. Clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now 224. How many digits?
3, sir.
3, sir.
130. How many
Two.
digits?
3. 3, sir.
130
2, sir.
2,
Two,
sir.
sir.
only. So answer must be
2.
2.
2
don't
digits.
write 35. Don't write 35. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
354
Yes,
is
sir.
there. 354 is there. So 352 you have to write. Then you make 4 is less than 5. So make it 0.
Yes, sir.
Don't do
Sir,
mistakes.
in case if it is 355, sir, then what we have to consider?
350,
5.
355, sir.
355. So
Then we
355
should-
means 5 is odd. Add 1. Make it 360.
Okay, sir.
Good question. Good question. 5 is odd, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Add
sir.
1. Make it 60. Is it okay?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes, please.
sir, so if the
For
before
example,
number
just wait. Just wait. 365 is there. 365. What you do?
We should not
Sir,
add.
360, sir.
not add, sir.
360.
Add 360
Not
only.
have-
375 is there. What you do? 7 is odd.
380,
80,
sir.
sir.
380 is right.
380.
380, sir.
Yes, yes, yes. Clear or not?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
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 Good, good. Next. See, some more complicated things. Okay. So, how many significant digits are there here?
Sir,
8, sir.
8, sir.
8, sir. 8,
In this?
4, sir.
sir.
Hmm. So, answer should have only 2 decimal places only. Hello, here you will be in trouble. You'll be in trouble. Don't be crazy. Here, how many digits are there?
2 decimal digits.
How many digits are there?
4,
4,
sir.
na?
4,
na?
sir.
But after decimal, how many are there?
2, sir.
2, sir.
2, sir.
But write only 2 after decimal.
Okay, sir.
Clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
So the answer should have only 2 decimal places. See, I shown in the right number with the least decimal 24.23. Actually, the answer also should have 2 decimal places only. These you need practice. Okay,
sir, I have a doubt, sir.
yes, please.
Sir, but before you said that the answer should have the least significant number, no, sir. Like it should have 4, no, sir. Now, I mean the answer has 6 significant number,
Yes,
no,
sir.
sir. Now,
The answer should have less than or equal to the number of decimal places. So less than also you can have, na? Are you following? You can write, for example, if you write 2480, what happens?
sir.
If you write 2480, what happens?
So there'll be no decimal places.
That means only
It
3
should be
digits
less
only, na?
than the
Yes,
stipulated.
sir.
No, you're not understanding.
Okay.
I'll teach you one. Just listen. You should be wise here. For example, if the answer is 2480, how many will be there?
3, sir.
3 only, na? If you write dot,
So then it will be 4.
you can write like this also. Here it is given a less than or equal to the number of decimal places as the number in
Okay,
the
sir.
calculation. Clear or not?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So here, this number is having 3 significant digits.
Yes, sir.
See here, the first value has how many digits?
3, sir.
3, sir.
3 only, na? So answer also must have
3.
3, sir.
3.
3 only. Yeah, be careful. Clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See this. How many are there digits?
3, sir.
4, sir.
4, na?
4, sir.
4. Here, first one, how many?
3,
sir.
sir.
3,
Three.
sir.
So it should be 3 only.
Yes, the least number.
Yeah, 0. Make
Yes,
it 0.
sir.
Actually, make it 0 here. Are you following? But don't write 246. Don't write 246. You'll be trouble. 2460 you write.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
You should be careful. You should be wise, na. How can you write 2460 64 to 246? Wrong, na. Nearest zero, you should make it.
Yes, sir.
You should be wise. Now, come on. How many are there in the beginning? First one.
3.
Three are
Three,
there.
sir. Three,
Answer
sir.
also should have. Answer should have 3 only. You should be
Three.
wise. You should be wise. That's what I'm saying. You should be wise. You cannot make 245. Adding two big numbers, making it 245 is a blunder. So what you have to do? You have to be wise. Make 245 and make it zeros, all zeros.
Yes, sir.
Slightly practice is required, right? You have to be wise. For example, you can write 48 as 5 and make it zeros. Are you following? It is more wise now, 44 and you make it 40. See, after 4, what is there? 8 is there.
8, sir.
Add +1 and make it zeros, all other zeros. Finish.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Yes.
Sir, but you said that like if the before number is positive, then we should make it 0, no, sir.
Yes, sir.
If it is,
If the before number is, I mean, say if it is positive, then we should make the number
Positive.
0, no, sir.
positive, what is positive?
Sir, even numbers, sir.
Even.
Even, sir. Sorry, sir.
That's why you read the rules, a little complex. When you have to use even
Right.
and odd consideration, you should know. Are you
So
following?
when it is even, we should leave like that, no, sir.
You should leave like
And
that. Yes.
And when it is odd, we should
Then you
add
can
one.
write. Actually, here it should be 2 4 4 4 only. Actually, my knowledge
Yes,
was
sir.
it is
That
2
was
4 4.
my doubt.
Yes, sir.
It's 2 4 4 only. It is actually 2 4 4. The soup has written like this.
Sir, so we have to leave the last significant digit as even, sir.
Yes, 2 4 4 0 0 0 0.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes, please.
sir, but like 4 8, no, sir. But then we can round it to 5, no, sir.
Yeah, but the thing is, if this is even,
Yes,
if the
sir.
odd only you have to add. Once you check it out. Okay, rules.
Yes. Yes.
Now, 123.6. How many digits are there here?
4, sir.
4, sir.
16.23. How many digits are there?
4, sir.
4, sir.
No issue. Happy 4. Cool. Are you following?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, how many are there here?
4,
4,
sir.
sir.
Second one.
4,
4, sir.
The answer must be 4.
4, sir.
Okay. Here 1 is there, right? 1.
Yes, sir.
1 is a what number? Odd number.
Odd number.
Odd number.
Odd number plus 7. 7 means greater than 5. So add
1.
Okay. Now, here you see here. Okay. Here you should be careful. 4.8.
2, sir.
2, sir.
Sir.
3.965 is 4. So answer is 0.835 is coming. I think here some mistake is there. So answer must be how many should write?
2, sir.
2, sir.
We should write 2.
So that means it will be
0.84.
0.8.
0.84.
4, sir.
0.84. 0.84.
0.84.
Here you should add 4. Answer is 0.84. Sometimes exam will ask you to make it 2 significant digits or 3 significant digits or 4 significant digits. You should write as per the examiner's motive. Is it all right? So
Sir, so if nothing is given, we should take the lowest significant number.
yeah, naturally. As per the rules you have to follow. If the examiner asks specifically, then only you should. Okay. Now I have one small topic is there. That is all about the significant digits. Is it tough? Significant digits.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Yeah. Now let us see AMU. AMU means atomic mass unit. For example, 1 carbon atom, 1 oxygen atom, 1 nitrogen atom. How much? See, actually, you have to measure the mass of an atom, right? So to measure the mass of an atom, they have chosen, okay, an element named atomic mass unit. So atomic means is an atom, mass unit. So you're measuring the mass. So actually, proton has 1 AMU. You know what is a proton? Proton
Yes, sir.
has 1 proton. Proton means 1
Positive
electron only. 1 electron it is having. Okay. Now, neutron is also having 1 AMU. Electron is having 1 by 1800 AMU. Actually, 1 by 1800. Now, 1 AMU is how you get this 1.66 into 10 power minus 24. Now I am going to discuss. So 1 atomic mass unit is equal to 1.66 into 10 power minus 24 grams. It is almost equal to the mass of a proton. What is the mass of a proton? 1.67 into 10 power minus 24
10
grams
power
is the
minus
mass of a
24
proton.
gram.
So that's why mass of the proton is equal to mass AMU is given. Clear or not?
Yes, sir.
So first of all, initially, hydrogen was taken as a standard. So hydrogen means 1 AMU, 1.008 AMU. So later, oxygen was taken as a standard. Now, carbon is taken
Carbon,
as a
sir.
standard. Yes, carbon is taken as standard. Okay, now listen carefully. Now, so what is AMU? First of all, very simple. What is AMU? So 1 AMU means, listen carefully, 1 AMU means, okay, 1/12 of mass of carbon atom. This is 1 AMU, mass of C12 atom. So for example, mass of C12 atom you measure by 12, 1/12 of the mass of it. That is called 1 AMU. Okay. If you see here, 1 AMU. Carbon atom is 12 AMU. Carbon atom is 12 AMU. How? 6 protons, 6 neutrons. Already told you 1 proton is 1 AMU. And
Yes,
1
sir.
neutron is 1 AMU. So
Yes, sir.
12 AMU. And the electrons are negligible. That is how it has come. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, 12 AMU. 1 second. Yeah. See, this is the mass of carbon atom. 1.9924 into 10 power minus 26 is the mass of carbon atom by 12. How much is coming? 1.66 into 10 power minus 27 kg or 1.66 into 10 power minus 24 grams. Are you following? Are you following?
Yes,
So
sir.
this is called 1 AMU. To your surprise, 1 by Avogadro number also is the same value. 1 by Avogadro
Avogadro.
number. 1 by Avogadro number is also the same value. I hope you are clear. Yeah. Now, see, I told you already 1 AMU. 1 AMU, proton is 1 AMU inside the nucleus, neutron is also 1 AMU, but electrons is 1 by, in 1 AMU,
1800.
that 1 if you divide it by 1800, that's why it is negligible. Are you clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So 1 AMU is equal to 1.66 into 10 power minus 24 grams. This is very, very important. Okay. Sometimes exam will ask you, how many AMU are present in 27 grams of mercury? Very simple. Very simple. So how to do it? See, you know very well. 1 AMU is equal to 1.66 into 10 power minus 24 grams. Okay. So 27 grams, how much MU? You got the answer. Simple.
Yes.
Clear or
Multiply.
not? Clear.
Yes, sir.
Simple questions.
Yes, sir.
Now, very interesting. Listen very carefully. Very, very interesting. See, can you tell me 1 sodium atom, how much AMU it is?
23.
23 AMU.
1 oxygen atom, 16. 1 nitrogen atom, 14.
14.
Now, I'll ask you one more question. What is the molecular mass of sodium?
23, sir.
23
Sir,
what?
23 into 1.66.
23 grams. Agreed or not?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
This is 16 grams.
16 grams.
This is 14 grams.
14 grams.
How it is coming? Very simple. Listen carefully. Listen carefully. 1 atom is 23 AMU. Are you following? Are you following?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
N atoms is what? Molecular weight, atomic weight. How much?
N into.
Agreed or not?
Yes, sir.
Now, help me. 23 into
N.
N.
23 AMU into
N, sir.
N.
N, sir.
N. Now listen carefully. 23, 1 AMU is 1 by N. 1 by N grams.
Yes, sir.
Because 1.66 into 10 power minus 24 grams is equal to 1 by n into n. N gets cancelled, you get 23 grams.
Yes, sir.
Very, very interesting. Again, I repeat another one. Listen for your sake.
Yes, sir. 1 by n is Avogadro number.
Avogadro. Now listen carefully. Oxygen, let us take. Oxygen. Okay. So, one atom of oxygen is how much? How much?
16 AMU, sir.
16 AMU, sir.
10 AMU, sir.
AMU. Is it okay? No.
Yes, sir.
1 AMU means one atom. Okay, one atom weighs 16 into 1 by n grams. 1 by n value is how much? 1 AMU is how much? 1.66 into 10 power minus 24 grams. So 1 by n is how much? 1.66 into minus 24. So n atoms is the atomic weight. Array. N atoms.
Yes, sir. An atom is
Is the atomic weight. So what happens? 16 into 1 by
16
n
into 1 by
n
n
grams.
to n.
N grams is coming. So it is coming as 16 grams. Are you following?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
23 is
Yes.
one atom. 23 grams is the atomic weight.
Atomic
Avogadro
weight.
number of atoms. 16 is one atom of oxygen, AMU. Are you following? 16
Yes,
grams is
sir.
the n atom small atom. Are you clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So 14 AMU means it is one atom weight. 14 into 1.66 into 10 power minus 24 grams. Clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
For n
sir.
atoms, it will be 14 grams. So this is a very confusion. Lot of confusion will be there even for the teachers. Okay. Now, so 1 AMU is equal to 1.66 into 10 power minus 24 grams. Now, listen carefully. 1 gram is equal to this many atoms. Are you
Yes,
following?
sir.
Right only, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If you, again it gets cancelled. If you solve this way also. Yeah. Now, 1 mole 12.22 grams, or so this is n atoms weight. So 1 atom weight is only 12 AMU or 22 AMU or 63.55 AMU. Are you following the difference between atomic mass and molecular mass or atomic mass?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Clear or not?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So that's it. So that's all the basics today. I open the session for a discussion. Any doubts, please? Okay.
Excuse
Thanks.
me, sir.
Yes, please.
Just a doubt, sir. Today in syllabus, sir, I got that stoichiometry till date means we'll get idiometry also, sir.
Whatever I explained, it will be there.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay. See you. Yeah.